Pictorial. How's everybody doing today? Today we have a quick little video. I think it's going to be quick, but I just wanted to say Harry Hamlin made me do it. It's all his fault. And what am I talking about? It is something that is in this box. A little box, a lot of glam. Rinna Beauty! So Rinna started a little makeup brand. She started with, of course, lip products because she is known for her fabulous pout. So I have 2 lip kits in here. I was just futzing around on Instagram and then I saw Harry Hamlin's face pop up and I'm like, oh, Rinna Beauty. He is a very, very, very good sport. And Lisa a lot of times likes to make him try out some stuff. So he was trying on one of her lip glosses that that do the tingly thing to make your lips a little bit bigger. So he was trying it and giving us his feedback on what it was. She was asking questions and he was answering it as he was popping it on. So that made me kind of go again and kind of check out her makeup line. I've been a few times kind of interested because I did watch her on The Housewives and of course love her from Days of Our Lives as Billy. So I thought, what the heck, let's check it out. And then they had a 2-for-1 sale. So it was buy one, get one free. So that totally made it worth it to go. And the shipping was actually not too bad. For one lip kit plus the shipping and the exchange and everything, it would have been a little bit too expensive. But the 2 to get, buy one, get one free, it actually worked out really well. So I got 2 and we are going to try those. So we will unbox this little box together and then we will try some on. So if that is what you're into and you'd like to see what colors and that I picked and maybe why Harry Hamlin made me buy it, you just need to keep on watching. All right, so here we are. We are going to open this little box. I just wanted to quickly open this before we played with them just to see how it was packed. I did take a quick look, so I put it back as close to as what it was, but it came in this little box with the little box, lots of glam, Rinna Beauty, address label on top, and then when you open it up, it has the Own It, and it has this little package. And this little package was actually mixed up. No, maybe it was on top. No, I think I might have had some of the paper on top and some on the bottom, but anyways, it has this nice thing, and it was wrapped like so. And then you just go and you open it up, and just kind of like the Kylie lip kits, we have the 2 little lip kits. So I have the one in, oh, let me put my glasses on. As you know, it's me. I always forget, and I'm blind. You think I'd remember, but because I can see from far away that I forget. So I have the lip kit in Sabine. So this is the pink kit, and it is Heartthrob, Rebel, and Jealous Much. I believe that's the pink kit. Nope, maybe not. Nope, this is the red one. So the Sabine lip kit is the red one, so it's got Heartthrob, Rebel, Jealous Much. So it's your lipstick, lip liner, and lip gloss. And it's the same in this one, and then this one is the Pinky Lip Kit. So there we go. And then I guess it's Slay All Day, Not So Heavy Crown, and a little extra. So we will open up and use these colors right now. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to start with lip kit number 1, and I think we're going to start with the lightest color first. So let's start with the pinky one. Let me find it here, the 2. Yeah, here we go. So this is the Pinky Lip Kit. So they come in this beautiful box here, like I showed before, has the name of the products on here as well. Since we're doing lipstick, I can wear glasses. So again, the pink lip kit is got Slay All Day, Not So Heavy Crown, and a little extra. So you open it up and it's nicely compartmentalized here. Then we have our lipstick, and then with her logo on the top, it's a beautiful metal gray color. And then it's also magnetic. Yes, I peeked. And then that is the beautiful shade here. So you do get a good chunk of product. It doesn't smell like anything, maybe a teeny bit like makeup, but very, very, very super light. Not enough. If you're sensitive to smell, I doubt you'd really even notice anything. Then we also have the lip liner, and then does the lipstick say on the bottom which the shade itself? Yes, it does say on the bottom that it's Slay All Day, just in case you get rid of the box after. And then we have the lip liner. And then it's a nice twist up, so you don't have to worry about sharpening. You can just twist as you go, but remember not to bring it too high because, you know, cream things will snap off a little bit easier. Go like so. And again, it's in this the same beautiful gray packaging right there. And then lastly in the case, and this is going to be the same for the red one, we've got the gloss, and look at how bright that is. We've got the logo there, it's got the gray to match, but then in your typical, you know, liquid lip / gloss packaging, and it's got this beautiful doe foot applicator. This one has a smell, but I don't know of what. Well, anyways, maybe once it's on our lips, we'll find out better. I mean, it is a small doe foot. So let's go and start with lining our lips. So we're going to take, and then the lip liner was again called, because I can't read it on the back there. I think that, yeah, that's a little extra. And then Not So Heavy Crown is the gloss. So we're going to go take a little bit of this lip liner here. I opened it, but I've not used the liner or the gloss. I did wear a little bit of the pink lipstick. I had to put it on, but let's, here, I'm gonna take the glasses off now. And then let's go. I'm gonna do a little bit of an overline. You don't have filler or anything, so I'm not going to get Lisa Rinna lips, that's for sure, but let's do this. And then I always like to color in my lip pencil because I always find that if the lipstick wears out, usually you'll have some of the color from the lip liner left. Not always, but sometimes. So that's nice. It goes on really easy. It's not tuggy, but it's not too soft, so it's not crumbly or anything. So that's really good because I've done that before with eyeliners or whatever when they're a little bit too soft and you press a little bit too hard and then you break it and then you waste the product. And then you can roll them down quite nicely. So again, it's not one that will stay up. So, but that's why I thought I'd try a little bit carefully first just to make sure. Let's pop her back in her box for now. And then we're gonna go with the lipstick. So again, I really love them with the magnetic closures, especially if they're rolling around in your purse. And then let's do a close-up of the color. So that is the pink shade there. Hopefully it is focusing. There we go. And then let's pop this on. Oh, how pretty is that? And again, you don't need, I mean, I'm gonna put on more extra because I like it. Goes on smoothly. Again, same thing, no tugging. It has no problem going with the liner. It's nice. Feels nice, smoothing. Yep, nothing that I can really smell. If they did put a smell to it, it is very, very minimal. So that's it there. Or I just have not an advanced sense of smell, which that could be too. And then lastly, we're going to try the gloss. And again, the color is Not So Heavy Crown. So let's go do that. And yeah, it looks like it's also written on the bottom. And then let's try this out. So I'm generally not a gloss person. Occasionally I'll wear a gloss, but most of the time I don't. But when they come in a lip kit right like that, why not? There are a few that I have really liked in the past. Like I really like the Dose of Colors. So maybe if we're lucky, this will be just like that. Oh, nice. It is definitely not too sticky. There is a little bit of stick to it, but not a crazy amount, which is awesome. There's nothing worse than a super duper, I mean, maybe for photos it looks great, but a super duper sticky, you know, you put your lips together and you got that gummy business. Don't like it. But this, I'm even going to do a second coat. Well, color me pink, color me impressed. All right, Lisa Rinna, I see you. Thank you, Harry. This is really pretty. Yeah, and you know what's funny? I mean, This full kit is almost the price Canadian as one Pat McGrath lipstick. So, hey, that's not bad. The lip kit was $45 plus shipping. So we don't put the shipping into it because usually with Pat McGrath you get free shipping, but that's not bad, right? 3 pieces, 45 bucks, well, US, right? What do we think? Pretty, right? All right, so we're running out of battery, and then I need to take this off for us to take a picture for the next lipstick. So we are going to be back in a sec. Okay, so we loved the first one. It is great. I just love Harry Hamlin and Lisa Rinna's relationship. It looks so good. They've been together, I think, over 25 years. They've got several kids together. They just seem really, really happy. She's really upbeat. He's very much feet on the ground. I think they balance each other out really well, and I think that he's such a good sport because she is definitely a little high energy if you watch the Real Housewives. That was something I was watching over Christmas. I enjoyed it. So now let's go on to the next kit. So again, this is what the box looks like, and this is the Sabine kit, and this is the red kit. Now, having tried these, I would be happy with every single color. I kind of was almost going to get a neutral one. I'm not really a neutral lip girl, but they always look so nice on Lisa Rinna. But I thought, you know what? Let's for sure get the colors that we would wear all the time. And I've been kind of, since one of my favorite pinks the last little year that I'm down to panning one during COVID, come on, a pink lipstick from Pat McGrath. So I was kind of excited to try that. So again, with this kit, you get your beautiful lipstick here. And then this is the, oh, did I just reopen the same kit again? I did, didn't I? I'm silly. I put the one kit down and then I opened the other one again. Hold on. Yes, there we go. Because I'm like, wow, that looks mighty pink. So again, there we go. So we have that. So we have the lipstick, and then that's the lipstick in, oh, again, seriously? I'm nothing if not consistent. Okay, so the lipstick is in Heartthrob. So again, this beautiful package with the brand, her logo, also magnetic, and then it is, there we go, this beautiful red shade here. Again, just like the other one, I don't really notice a smell. It's very negligible. And then we have the lip liner, and then that would be in the shade Jealous Much. And then same thing, same packaging, or same beautiful lip liner. And then we've got our lip gloss, which is in Rebel, and it is this beautiful shade right there. Nice, hey? Alrighty, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna go and line our lips, and then we will go put on some lipstick and a little bit of gloss. So there we go. I'm just gonna make sure we don't take it too high. Just like the pink, it goes on really nice, really smooth. There's no tugging. It is not super firm, but it's not super soft. It's like a nice medium lip liner. So it's able to wipe my lips together and get a nice evening application. There doesn't seem to be any pilling or anything. And again, this nicely rolls down. So there is our lip liner. Now we're going to go in this beautiful lipstick. I'm very excited. So we can add this to the other 1,000 red colors that I have, but they all have different nuances. All right, so here we go. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It just goes on so smooth. This could be a new favorite formula. Yeah, no smell that I can tell. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Love it. All right, so now this looks almost more pink. pinkish, dark pinkish. So maybe that was the point from the lip kit, to add a little bit of dimension. See, again, there's a teeny bit of smell of something, but I can't make it out. And it's, again, not enough where if you're sensitive to smell that this is going to bother you. And definitely not too sticky. Grab some more here. Let's just put this on my hand here. There you go. You can see the color there. But it doesn't adversely change the color to what it originally was. I think almost it like gives it a little bit more depth with a little bit of shine. Oh, I like this a lot. What do you think? Pretty? I think it's really nice. I am really enjoying this formula. Okay, granted I haven't, felt gloss on it, so definitely it will come off when you eat. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this one for the rest of the day, I think, and then we're gonna see how it holds up. And if I remember, I'll put a comment down below. If I don't, sorry. Then just remind me, and then I'll respond and I'll let you know. But anyways, this is it. This is us playing with the Lisa Rinna of Days of Our Lives and what is it, New York Housewives fame? I watched so many of the different housewives over the Christmas, but I believe she's from New York. Anyways, there we go. I really, really enjoyed this. Well, thank you, Harry Hamlin, for coming up on my screen and reminding me about these products, and for Lisa for having that sale, which made me pull the trigger. But anyways, that's it from me today. If you'd like to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, or maybe even hit that notification bell, it would be greatly appreciated. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends. We can still try makeup from Housewives together. Like, come on, isn't this amazing? Who doesn't love supportive husbands helping their wives try on lipstick and lip glosses? Well, lip glosses. I don't know if Harry's going to wear a lipstick, but he tested out the plumping glosses, and that's what got me to pull the trigger here. So have an amazing day. Make good choices. If it's still crowded, I would still highly recommend wearing a mask. But that's up to you. And we will talk to you soon. Okay. Bye-bye.